in this section, I'm trying to implement parsing a jack program in our parser, and for doing that I'm going to follow the specification given by the Nand2tetris course. And as you can see, the first thing that we need to do in our parser after the construction is call this function called compile class. So that will be the first thing that I'm going to implement. So the first thing that I'm trying to do is add a parser struct to keep all the state, because so far what we are doing is just printing to the standard out, so that's not very useful to do anything productive with the parser. So the parser struct would have a reference to a lexer or like a tokenizer, so from that only keep pulling the next token to decide what to parse next. And here I'm just copying some logic from the tokenize function to compile function to just read the file contents. Just so convenient to just copy paste, you know. And then I'm going through the compilation errors to fix everything and get it working so far. And I noticed that I introduced some memory leaks, so I'm calling the destroy function on lexer to make sure that I get rid of that memory chunk after I'm done with the lexer. So here I'm adding a call to the compile class procedure from our parser, as it's like the first thing that we need to do in the compile process. So, and I'm also defining the compile class procedure here. So I'm first trying to implement parsing a basic jack class, you know, like an empty class first, so we can move on from there later on. So when you have a class, you first have like a class keyword, and then you have opening and closing parentheses. That's what I'm adding right here. And I'm also going ahead and implementing those procedures that I'm calling inside the compile class procedure. And now I'm going to create some test files to test the basic parser that we created so far. So I'm just creating a main class with an empty body, so because that's what we can all parse with our parser so far. And let's see, yeah, it looks like it worked. So it's showing the correct structure. And yeah, I'm just going through all the standard out printing stuff that I'm doing, like just to clear it up, like so we have a clean output when we run the parser. So yes, now we have like a clean output from the parser, as you can see. So what I need next is, like, the parser should complain if there was a problem with the structure of the program. So let's say if you are using like a different keyword, or like you are missing a parenthesis, that stuff should be reported from the parser back to the user, right? So usually that's the kind of things that you get from a compiler itself. So that's what I'm trying to implement next. So here you can see I misspelled the class keyword and I'm getting error for that. So that's pretty much it for the day 2 of the parser, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.